How to see harmful apps on Play Store. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to see harmful apps on Play Store easy and fast. So all what you have to do is go to Play Store. As you can see right here, this is the home page. Go to the top and click on your profile picture. Now after you click on it, go to manage apps and device. As you can see now right here, you will find many options, and the first one here you will find if you have any harmful apps. As you can see right now, I have one security notification. Click on it, and as you can see, click scan and scan your apps all, and if there is a harmful app, it will say it to you. As you can see, if this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching until the end. See you later.